Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Today I am going to show you how to make hotel style Kabuli Chana Curry, also known as Chole, in an easy and quick way using simple masala. This simple masala is the key ingredient for this super delicious recipe. So let's get started. This pav bhaji masala gives best flavor to this curry. Believe me friends, you gonna enjoy hotel style delicious Kabuli Chana curry at your home. Friends, this protein rich chole recipe can be done in no time and definitely it would be one of the best side dish for rotis and chapatis. So do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, share it with your family and friends. Thank you.